Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mel. I hope you're doing great as I'm doing, and I just woken up. It's 11 a.m. in the morning and I just want to prepare homemade mandazis. I am not a good chef, but I'm gonna try. So guys, welcome if you're my new subscriber, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so very much for always supporting. And if you haven't subscribed, please find somewhere in your heart to go ahead and subscribe so that you can enjoy with us. And yeah, without further ado, let's tag along. And this is the outfit of the day. So guys, with me here I have an egg. I have this one, the baking powder. I have this, I'm using this ajab wheat flour. And then I have this milk. Of course, I'll use a little bit of sugar and cooking oil. Yeah, cooking oil. Sorry. So at the moment, I'm just trying to sieve this unga so that it can be finer. Yeah, so that the mandazis can be airy, and that facilitates the process of it being cooked well. Okay, ndio hivi ndani vizuri kabisa iwe nyororo ya isishikani, if you understand Kiswahili. So at the moment, let's just do this. The flour. So now, this is sugar. I add 1, 2. Let me that's then for the salt, I'm gonna add again just a little bit. But I want to invest on sugar. Okay. So now I mix. the cooking. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, and let me see you on my next one. Au revoir.